Here's why you need a stroller for your dog, and no, it is not just to spoil them. There are so many benefits of dog strollers, starting with the fact that your dog may not be able to handle as much exercise as you. It's also helpful for carrying all the essentials like poop bags, pepper spray, treats, water, pet wipes, and a cooling vest. When the pavement is too hot for paws in the summer, a stroller is a great way to get your dog out of the house while providing shade. I also feel safer knowing that people behind me can't tell that I have a Frenchie with me. I let my dog out to walk whenever he wants for as long as he wants, which could be 5 minutes, but a dog stroller allows me to walk for over an hour without pushing his limits, so this works best for both of us. Our stroller has a clip to attach to a harness for extra safety, and it collapses down easily for storing in the back of my car on the go.